Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je m'appelle Séverine. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. My name is Séverine. This podcast is dedicated to travelers. Be more than a tourist by listening to Speak French avec moi, your French coach. You can also find more contents by going on my YouTube channel, Speak French avec moi, or by going to my Facebook page, Speak French avec moi. Merci. Bienvenue sur la troisième classe de notre module 1 sur Greetings. Hello and welcome to our third class in the first module about greetings. Today we will learn about 3 different vowels and how to pronounce them. O, A, and U. This coursework is about 8 minutes and we will spend time learning these 3 different sounds and their spelling in French. O is just like the sound that you have when you say oak or oath. It is a closed O, low pitch, one around your mouth. And in French, we don't have short or long vowels, so it's always a short sound. O, O, O. Now let's try with our example. Olive, olive, olive. Let's try to repeat after me. Olive. Now let's try with the word rose. 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 Repeat after me. Rose. It is spelled R-O-S-E and it has 2 meanings in French. Rose is a flower, but it's also the color pink. Rose. Maybe you've heard about a famous French wine, rosé. Rosé. Rosé is a very summery pink wine coming from the south of France. Rosé. Olive. Rose. Now you will see sometime O spelled in French AU. When you see AU in French, you make the sound O. When you see AU in French, you make the sound O. For instance, auto. Auto, it means a car. It's spelled A-U-T-O. Auto. 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 It means a car. Auto. Auto. Chaussure. Chaussure. It means shoes. It spells C-H-A-U-S-S-U-R-E-S. Les chaussures. Chaussures. AU makes the sound O. E-A-U also makes the sound O. E-A-U also makes the sound O. Château. It means castle. Château. C-H-A-T-A-U. Château. Château. Repeat after me. Château. Bateau means boat. Bateau. B-A-T-A-U. To say a boat on the water, you'll say bateau sur l'eau. Bateau sur l'eau. Bateau sur l'eau. You will also see O spelled with a little hat on it. It's called accent circonflexe, like in hôpital. Hôpital. The accent circonflexe doesn't change the pronunciation. It just means that we drop the S that used to be in front of O in ancient French. Because we used to say hospital, but we say hôpital. Hôpital. And remember, in French, you don't pronounce the H. Hôpital. Hôpital. The H is always a mute letter. Hôpital. Now we have the other one, A. You will see this A when A is in front R, L, and T, like bol. Bol. But. But. It means boots. But. But. Chambord. 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 Chambord is a well-known castle in the Loire Valley. U can be a little complicated to pronounce, and I'm going to give you a little tip. Starts with E, like the letter E. And then you're going to round your lips forward and say U. Let's try. E, U, E, U, E, U. Can you do it? Repeat after me. E, U, E, U, E, U. La tulipe. La tulipe. Tulips. La tulipe. And now, A. A. Let's try. La lavande. La lavande. A. You will have your mouth wide open. A. A. With your tongue at the bottom and touching the back of your bottom teeth. A. A. La lavande. It means lavender. La lavande. This is the end of our third class. By now you know how to pronounce O, U, et A. And don't forget, in French, AU makes O, EAU makes O. Merci et à bientôt.